Xpeak. Xpeak is a standard for device management, based on XML and platform agnostic, initially focused on financial applications but not restricted to it. It serves the same purpose that other APIs like Ken/XFS and J/XFS but is not restricted to one operating system or language, since it works in a client/server model using XML in a way to homogenize the communication between the application and the device services. Its flexibility allows different parts of the whole business to be implemented in different languages, having the application and the various devices, some implemented in Java, other in C++ and still others in the device's firmware. It was designed based on the experiences had with Ken/XFS, J/XFS and Java POS, but instead of using a standards organization it uses an open source model to develop the architecture and tools used by the project, like its base the complete open source software solution named Xpeak. This way it can be updated, quickly and openly, by the users themselves, using the internet as the means of communication rather than meetings requiring a physical presence. Xpeak follows the open source model and participation in the project is totally free, but it is moderated by the R&D Open Source Foundation, participated in equal parts by Sun Microsystems and Intechna. The initial code contribution is the responsibility of Cashware, one of the leading companies in devices connectivity through the use of standards, Ken/XFS and J/XFS. Xpeak is a collection of software projects, integrally developed by Cashware, with the philosophy of open source and commercialized under a dual license: the Xpeak public license and a commercial license. Xpeak includes the following elements: Xpeak IDE, an Eclipse plugin which permits Xpeak services, made up of Xpeaking, high-level API for access to Xpeak services. Xpeaking permits access to said services from different programming languages: Java, C, C++, C#, Pascal. External links.